Well, they finally came here on back order. The fat bottom Betty Gorditos. Yes, indeedy. A buddy of mine introduced me to these when I was on my business trip up in Michigan. Now, these, believe it or not, are not infused, but have so much flavor of sweetness, of caramelized sugar inside of it, and that flavor actually performs nicely, naturally, okay? Again, they have three types. This is the Fat Bottom Betty Gorditos, as you can tell there. Absolutely sweet cap. So when you're smoking on it, the cap here where you actually put your lips on is very, very sweet. Burn smooth. It's almost like an old school pipe, like your grandfather used to smoke, that really good smelling tobacco. That's what this is. It's very mild. It's medium to bold, and it's also wrapped in a Maduro leaf. So that's where you can kind of get your boldness from. But the sweetness of the cap and the mildness of the sweet smelling flavors that comes out of this with the aromatic, sort of feel, it really is a good smoking cigar. And the whole time he was giving me one of these and he got me hooked. So now this is one of my top favorite next to my Portugal's Colubres Cuban cigars. This is probably second to third in command. Well, thanks, Rod. You got me hooked. I'm out.